Let's come to writing now. The activity is writing a passage based on a dialogue given in speech bubbles. ये पेज 112 है और ये आप ने खोल लिया होगा ये पेज और आप देख रहे हैं कि इसमें 4 स्पीच बबल्स बने हुए हैं. इनकी मदद से यानी इन पर बेस करके आपने एक पैसेज लिखना है. तो मैंने कोशिश की है कि आपकी हेल्प के लिए मैं ये पैसेज लिख दूं. आप इससे बेहतर पैसेज भी लिख सकते हैं. मेरे लिए तो सिर्फ ये आपकी खिदमत में एक अटेम्प्ट है. Ahmed had read and heard a lot about the hill station of Malam Jabba. His family planned to go there for a few days in the summer vacation. They went there and enjoyed a lot. They did skiing, made snowmen, and threw snowflakes on each other. They came back with a lot of happy memories. His friend Ali asked him so many questions on their return. He was too excited about it all. He said that he would also go to Malam Jabba in the next vacation. Well, that is all for this tutorial, Honorable Teacher. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.